Trading used to feel like a losing battle, but everything clicked once I understood these 3 critical points. Now today, I'm going to be breaking down these 3 key points so you guys can cut through the noise, skip the years of struggle, and start trading profitably. When I first began trading at 15 years old, it felt like it would be impossible to achieve my goal of being a profitable trader. I felt like I was stuck in an infinite loop of blowing accounts and constantly chasing that shiny new strategy that promises profitability. And I honestly felt defeated by the market. After becoming so exhausted from learning a new strategy every single week, this first key point was my first massive step to becoming a profitable trader. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions in trading is finding the perfect strategy will make you a profitable trader. Many traders, just like me, will spend months jumping from strategy to strategy, hoping this next one will be the one that brings them this consistent profitability. Every working strategy has one thing in common. Whether you trade ICT, SMC, or even just support and resistance, or breakouts just like me, you can be profitable with any single strategy. Understanding that anything could happen in the market will save you from running in circles and never achieving profitability. However, the one thing that every functional strategy has in common is that they all give you a trading plan. Trading plan is essential to your profitability because it helps you make clear, consistent, and emotional-free decisions. Now, every profitable trading plan should give clear instructions on these things to help you execute the trades properly. Now, the first thing a good trading plan will give you is defined entry and exit points. Having clear and defined entry and exit points will help you with consistency. By having consistent entry and exits, this helps you get consistent results, which is key to becoming a profitable trader. How can you become a profitable trader if you just guess where you should enter and exit on every single trade? Now, the second part of a profitable trading plan is having a clear criteria for high probability setups. Having a criteria for high probability setups will instantly boost your win rate and stop you from pointlessly risking money on low quality setups. The final part of an effective trading plan is having a minimum risk to reward ratio. A common ratio for this is a 1-to-2, which means every time you win, you'll make twice what you lost. And this is super important because this factor alone is how you optimize your profitability. And understanding the concept of risk to reward will make you see how easy it is to be a profitable trader. So let me explain. The market is full of uncontrollable forces. You can't control which direction the market will go, and you can't control how much money you'll make. But what you can control is how much you'll lose. And it's that simple. Risk to reward is the only thing that you can control in the market, but if you can optimize it correctly, you don't even need to be able to control anything else. For example, if you have a 1-to-1 risk to reward with a 50% win rate, you will only be a break-even trader. But if you keep the same strategy, but you only take trades with at least a 1-to-2 risk to reward, you'll be profitable with that same exact win rate. By limiting your trades to trades with a 1-to-2 risk to reward, in the case of this example, you'll instantly become profitable. And it's that simple, honestly. Here's an example that will apply to everyone watching this video. Find your win rate and compare it to this chart. Now, once you see that chart, you guys will realize that profitability is a lot easier than you guys think. And optimizing risk to reward will make becoming profitable so simple. Now, but applying that simplicity factor even further into your trading can make trading go from hard and unprofitable to easy and profitable. There is power in simplicity in the markets. So let me explain. Now, keeping your trading plan and strategy simple will help you focus on the things that actually matter in trading. A simple plan and strategy will first stop you from overthinking and overanalyzing, but overthinking and overanalyzing can happen when your strategy is too complicated or incorporating too many indicators. By overcomplicating the things in your trading, you're literally taking your attention away from the things that matter most in trading, like execution and risk to reward, and in turn can make you unprofitable. Think about it this way. If your strategy doesn't matter, and if the only forces in the market you can control are risk to reward and when you buy and sell, why would I focus my attention on a super complicated trading plan or a strategy when instead, if I put 100% of my attention to the things that will actually make me a profitable trader, then I'll become profitable. Now, having a simple trading plan will not only make trading easier in every single way, it will also stop you from making the same common mistakes a lot of traders make that if you're watching this video, I guarantee you're probably struggling with. By not keeping your trading as simple as possible, you're going to just struggle with emotions. And as humans, it's hardwired into our brains to feel emotions, especially when it's coming into money. Keeping trading literally as simple as possible and only focusing on the parts that we can control helps us get into the right mindset to not be affected by the things out of our control. And at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal this simple method I use to keep my trading as emotion free as possible. Now, fear and greed in the market are the most common and powerful emotions that a trader can feel. Fear can keep you out of opportunities that you can capitalize on, and greed can make you turn winning trades into losers, or already losing trades into account blowing losers. Keeping it simple and having a defined risk to reward can help with fear. If I know that at most my risk to reward allows me to only lose $100, but I have a higher probability to make $300 from a trade, I have no reason to be scared. Because I know that if I repeat my simple trade plan and I follow my risk to reward rules over the next 20 trades, then I'll come out profitable. Because my trade plan also tells me when to exit, it stops me from being greedy. I know that when this certain criteria is met, it's time to get out, because at this point the trade has a higher probability to go against the direction I want. But my favorite way to systemize my trading plan and make myself trade like an emotional robot is if and then statements. Many computer programs work exactly like this, with if and then statements. If this happens, then this happens. And I applied this exact concept into my trading to help myself stay on top of my emotions and make myself a consistently profitable trader. If then statements eliminate emotions from trading because it's giving you a plan that tells you exactly what to do in any circumstance while you're trading. Let me give you guys an example. My trading strategy, I want to see momentum into a key level. So at the top of my head, when I'm trading, I'm thinking to myself, if price reaches my key level with momentum, then I'll press the buy button. And this takes away the opportunity of any other thought coming in to make me second guess myself. Or while I'm in a trade, I'll also be thinking, if this hits this price, then I stop out. Now, by keeping trading as simple and robotic as possible, you'll be able to profitably trade and pull consistent profits. Thank you for watching.